Hi there everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make a dreidel at home by using simple materials that you have around the house. You will need a ruler, an inch ruler. You will need a piece of cardboard. You'll need a pencil. You will need markers, crayons, or colored pencils, and scissors. For step 1, you will need your ruler, your pencil, and your piece of cardboard. First, start at the top and then measure down on your piece of cardboard to 3 inches. And make a little mark. Next, go to that mark until the edge, or go to the other edge of the board, the other part of the cardboard, and measure out 3 inches and make a little line there. The goal is to have a 3-inch by 3-inch square. And then you draw your lines on the cardboard using your ruler to keep a nice straight edge. There we go. Step 2, you will need your scissors and your piece of cardboard with the square drawn out. Begin cutting out that square along the line. It should look like this. Get rid of this. You will not need that. All you will need is that square. It should be 3 inches by 3 inches. For step 3, you will need your pencil, your square cardboard piece, and a ruler. Now we need to make 4 triangles, and I like to use my rulers to find the edge of each corner and make diagonal lines on the cardboard. And make sure they're straight. And this will give us our 4 triangles that we need. You'll see the triangles there, and I can make them a little darker so you can really see them. There you go. You'll see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Now you'll draw your symbols on your dreidel, starting with none. Here you'll do them in order. And then you'll go to Gimel. And then Hey. And Shin. For step 5, you can decorate as you like. For step 6, you go ahead and put the pencil in the center of your diagonal lines, push through, and there you go. You have your dreidel. I hope you can find some time this holiday season to enjoy this game.